I had a question the other day on my video saying how to send data in your email with borders and formatting. The question was, can you send a complete table, because his data was forever changing and they would need to send an up-to-date table at any time. And he actually came up with a solution, but I found something far more interesting here, that you can filter the data and it will send the filtered data as opposed to the entire table. So let's just run this right now, and we have all of the data in this table here. This is table 1. And so what I'm going to do is I'm going to go to my developers, I'm going to go to macro, and I'm going to go send esendtable, and I'm going to go run. And then I'm going to bring up my email that I created. There you have, please find the requested information, and then you have the complete table being sent there, which is fine. So let's just do something else here. Now I'm going to double click the marching ants around this. So now let's say that you had a table and you had a bunch of customers and you only wanted to send the data to the customer that pertained to them. So let's go down here, and there's two 130033s here. So let's filter the data for 13. First of all, I'm going to take off the select all, and I'm going to select 130033, and I'm going to say OK. And now it just has the two lines that are referenced to this one account number. Now, if this is the company that you wanted to send it to, what you would do is you would run your macro, and then when it comes back up, so they are basically getting a picture of the table. They have no ability on the table to click down and see when anybody else is paid or whatever else. So you can send data to everybody just by filtering the ones that are pertaining to the people that you need to send it to. So let me show you the code. So here's my code. I will, of course, include this in the description of my video. Send esendtable, and then we declare Outlook as an object, new mail as an object, xInspect as an object, pageEditor as an object. We're going to set Outlook as CreateObject, Outlook.Application, and set new mail. Okay. Now, with a with statement, so it saves us having to write it 100 times, we're going to go to, and whatever the email address is an A1, and then we're going, the subject is data, and then the body I have just entered some generic information here. Please find requested information and best regards. Now, set inspector equals new mail, get inspector. And so that's getting the right inspector. Now the set page editor equals xInspect.WordEditor. We have included this because this you'll be able to copy the formatting from your table, so you're not just getting numbers on your the body of your letter or body of your email. And then this is my old code where I select a range of cells and I'm copying it. But now on this new one, I am setting sheet 1, range table 1. I include the table number here, and all, and dot copy, pageEditor.Application.Select.Start, length of the body, so it goes for the whole body. pageEditor.Application.Selection.End equals pageEditor.Application.Select.Start. And so after it's finished, pageEditor.Application.Select, paste. So it's pasting the table, and it's taking all the format that it has from the Excel sheet, Word format, plain text, and then it's displaying it. And then, of course, you could send it. I have it commented out while I'm displaying this for you. And set page editor, it's clearing out the page editor. It's clearing out the set xInspect to nothing. End width, set new email to nothing, set Outlook to nothing. So it's cleared out everything so you can run a new one and not overwrite stuff. And end sub. So I think this would be very valuable if you're sending out information from a table to a bunch of different people, and you have different things that you can filter within your your tables. You can send them out to individual people on your email list. So this is how you send a table, a filtered table from Excel through your Outlook body, on your Outlook body from Excel. Please subscribe.